Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing scope. If other sites load, the issue is the site or DNS. Once done, restart your modem or router and the device, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and reconnect to refresh IP leases. Make sure the URL is typed correctly and try both HTTP and HTTPS. Then clear the browser cache and open a private window to rule out cached errors. These steps remove common transient causes quickly, so you can move to targeted fixes without wasting time. Next, probe the network. Open a terminal and run ping and tracert Windows or traceroute Mac/Linux to see where packets stop. Once you identify a hop failure, switch DNS to a reliable public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and flush your DNS cache to remove stale records. Make sure any VPN or proxy is disabled while testing, and try another network or device to confirm whether routing or local configuration is the culprit. These diagnostics reveal whether the problem is DNS, ISP, or the remote server. For final steps, verify the site itself. Check status pages, social channels, or an SSL check for certificate errors. Once done, inspect your host's file and firewall or router rules for accidental blocks, and briefly disable security software to test access. If the site is down, gather ping/traceroute output and browser error codes before contacting your ISP or the website admin. This evidence speeds resolution. As a troubleshooting tip, retry after 10-15 minutes. DNS propagation or server restarts often resolve transient, cannot be reached errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.